Isn't it x1
Yep.
x1 plus x2
Yep.
divided by 2.
Yep. That's for the x coordinate of your midpoint, right? Because it's a point, so it's technically x and a y.
Yeah.
So that's the x value, and then what would be your y values?
It'll be the same thing.
But just with y's. Yeah.
Yeah.
Good stuff. So that's usually to find the midpoint, right? You would add the two x's divided by 2, add your two y's divided by 2.
Would you have to do the opposite?
Technically, but I mean, what's the opposite? So hold on. This time I've said to you, here's the midpoint already, and another point, but I can't remember my point B, my original point B. So what you have, let's paste this. There it is. What I've got is I've already got the midpoint M. So technically, again, this letter is represented by M, X and Y. I already have A, so I've got X1 and Y1, but what I'm missing is B, which is technically X2 and Y2.
Yeah.
True? Again, just use it. I want you to understand something. 4 is this. That equals to 1 plus something I don't know divided by 2. Do you agree with that?
Yeah.
Logic. And then same thing with the midpoint of your y. Your 7 for your y needs to equal to the 6 plus y2 divided by 2.
Yeah.
All right, so let's have a look. Oops. So now you said do it backwards. I think you're doing the formula backwards, but you've got to still use the formula in its original form.
Yeah.
So it looks like this. 4 equals 1 plus, let's say, x2 if you wanted to, divided by 2.
Okay.
And then what would the second part be? The second part is 7 equals 6 plus something divided by 2.
Yeah.
Isn't it?
Yeah.
Let's forget the math again. Let's just use what I just said. Halfway, is 7, and one of the numbers, it's 6, but you don't know the other number. So 6 plus something divided by 2 needs to give me 7.
Yeah.
1 plus something divided by 2 needs to give me 4.
Yeah.
And then, of course, it's very easy. Times it by 2. And then, obviously, take away 1. You agree with that?
Yeah. So it's algebra work, basically.
After that, it's just algebra. 6, you subtract it. So what would B equal to? Well, that's 7 and
7,
8.
8. Yeah.
Yeah, like that.
Yeah.
So halfway between 1, 6. One more time. Halfway between 1, 6 and 7, 8, it becomes 4, 7.
Yeah.
That's the logic there, and that's the
Okay.
math. That's the working out for it.
Yeah. Now I understand.